Yo, welcome back to the channel. Got another ride and review. Today I'm going to a place called And Son. There's two locations. There's one in the back of Mel's Burger Bar on the Upper East Side, and the other is the one I'm going to now. It's on 9th Street over in the West Village. The concept here is like a speakeasy, but a steak speakeasy. So they call it a Steakeasy, which is cool. They have like a price fixed menu. You choose either a top butt sirloin steak. That's the lowest price option. They have a boneless strip steak. That's like the midway option. And then they also have a bone-in dry aged steak, strip steak. And that's the priciest option. I think that one's like $90. You get the whole meal included. And the meal comes with, you know, starters, sides, apps, dessert. They also have everything's Prime, by the way. All Prime, USDA Prime, awesome stuff from Golden Packing. I'm actually going to meet the guys from Golden Packing there. They have a burger that's made out of prime ground up strip steak. That's a great burger. It's kind of like a really souped up Big Mac, like a special sauce, the pickles, the sesame seed bun. That's one of my favorite burgers in the city. I highly recommend it if you can try that. If you go to the Upper East Side location, the one at Mel's Burger Bar, don't get the regular burger. The regular burger's great there, don't get me wrong, but if you want this one that I'm talking about, that's one of my favorites, you got to get the prime burger. Zoos! Always good to see another Zoozer out and about. You know, if you want 150 bucks off your Zoos, use code Johnny Prime at checkout. JOHNNYPRIME. Ride with us. This place is one of Golden Packing's best customers. They go through a lot of steak a week. And it's really not a surprise when you taste that quality. They do a really good job, and the locations are beautiful. So I've only seen pictures of this 9th Street location online. I haven't been here yet. I've only been to the Upper East Side one. This spot, it looks gorgeous, by the way. This spot is, it used to be the Lion. It's like an old bar, you know, West Village bar that was there for a while. So these guys took over that space, made it their own, stuck with the Speakeasy steakhouse theme. Seems to be a big hit so far with, you know, meat people like me. So I'm excited to try it. So I'm just ripping across Houston right now, and I'm gonna bust a right on 6th Ave. I know they do brunches on weekends too, at the 9th Street location. I think the one in the back of Mel's is closed on like Sundays. I'm not positive, but on the weekends I know there's a brunch at the 9th Street spot. So I know I'm gonna be getting a burger again because I love that burger. Gotta give it a try. And I'm pretty sure the Golden guys are gonna want to try all the meat that Golden supplies. So all 3 steaks probably. I've only had the regular strip, so looking forward to try the others. They also do a really awesome side here. It's carbonara mac and cheese with a little egg yolk on it and everything. Oh man, it's so fucking good. I'm looking forward to have that again too. I'm gonna have to get by this guy. He's going too slow. So this place isn't too far from Fort Charles Prime Rib, which we did on a ride and review a couple weeks back. And to be honest with you, they have a similar vibe, the 2 places. So if you've been like itching to get over to Fort Charles and the reservation is tough for you to get because it is a hard res to get, then I suggest going to Ann's Son because it's got that same environment type of feel, like a speakeasy, and the prices are a lot cheaper. I can attest that the quality is top notch because everything that Golden Packing supplies is incredible. Like, and not just because, I'm not saying that just because they're my friends and I work there for a year and biased, whatever, but it really is. The especially the aged beef, the flavor they get from just like a couple weeks in the aging room is incredible, especially when you put it up against some of the other purveyors out there. Really, really good. Oh, this guy's turning. So 9th Avenue goes the other way. I mean 9th Street goes the other way. I gotta turn here and watch myself because I'll be against traffic. Let's see, I know it's right up here. Instead of looping around, I'll just walk it. Oh good, there's some parking too, I see. All right. Yeah, let me get out here, show you the front of it. This is it right here. All right, I'll see you on the inside.
Fire entree 24, please.
Oh wow, that's so cool. This is awesome.
Trying to get the gas going, and it's one of those things that you can't. I can't really get to be able to stay. Bootlegger has, yes.
Oh, she's promoting and pushing it?
Yeah, she's getting like a Rachel Ray gin.
You ever do anything with
Rep was one of our regular stuff. Yeah. They have delicious whiskey.
Yeah, they're.
Beauty.
There it is. Voila.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, look at that.
Give me a big stringy fucking. Oh yeah. Man, that was really good. Everything I expected it to be, and more. As usual, jump out to my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review with all the photos and all of my detailed thoughts about everything. But I can tell you right now, this place is awesome. They set up that little upstairs speakeasy so beautifully. The menu is mostly the same as the Upper East Side location, so you'll be able to track what I had there and, you know, mirror it for this review. I forgot my light, so fucking figures, but I'll be using some of the same pictures, video that I took on the Upper East Side, and throwing it in this video because I fucking completely forgot my light. So stupid. I didn't realize it until I went to go take it out for a photo. I'm like, oh shit, I don't have my light. That great burger is still the same. They gave us our steaks on like a really nice carving board, which was a little different than the Upper East. Wow, crowded. But carbonara the same. They had the egg yolk pre-mixed in for us at this one, so that little yolk that I saw at the other spot, I don't know if they always do that, but that was really cool. It was fun to mix that in ourselves. The desserts stayed the same too. They had like a blueberry cheesecake, which I really liked. They had a mousse. Cocktails are fantastic. I like that filthy martini. Oh, I got some footage of him making that. That was perfect. The dining space is beautiful too. They have this huge oval shaped domed skylight above the main dining room. Big fireplace. Like, oh man, it's so cool. I really love what they did with that space. It is awesome. And that upstairs, yeah, make sure you get up in there. There's a lot of like hidden doors behind bookcases, and like even the bathroom is kind of like a secretive little tucked away spot upstairs. It's wild. But yeah, I highly recommend. Guys, come on guys. As usual, make sure you like, subscribe, fucking leave some comments down below. Tell me where your favorite burger is, where your favorite steak joints are. The wild thing about this joint is I actually think I liked the top butt sirloin steak the best out of the three of them. But you know, that could change in a heartbeat. But anyway, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and as always, tell that fucking grandma of yours